Hi guys, this is Samriddhi Agarwal. I'm a final year MBBS student and today I want to talk about an app which if you use correctly can be a blessing for you because it was one for me. And before that I want to ask you if you've calculated your score, तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारा कट ऑफ क्लियर होगा, कॉलेज मिलेगा or if you'll have to take a drop or you might even be changing streams. If you've cleared the cutoff, congratulations. And to those who have decided to take a drop, see, this year is gonna be a little tough, but also you know कि तुम्हारी क्या mistakes हैं, which areas you need to work in. तुम्हें physics, chemistry, biology तीनों में से किस में problem थी, उसमें किन particular chapters में problem थी. Were you weak in maths वाला portion? Were you weak in रट्टा वाला portion for the NCRT? But a cure for all of this is practicing questions because तुम्हें रट्टा लगाने से नहीं याद हो रहा है. Practice questions and learn the stuff. If you're not able to solve physics properly or physical chemistry, practice questions, a lot of questions. And one good thing about NEET is कि एक particular type के एक particular उसके questions आते हैं, so you can do those if you have already seen them कहीं पे भी कैसे भी practice के time पे. So for this, I use Neat Prep and I got it as a Diwali gift. So basically, I had been wanting the subscription since 2 to 3 months. But as soon as I discovered and I saw कि कितने questions हैं, क्या क्या test series कैसी होती है, I wanted it and I got it and I practiced. I practiced a lot because उसका test series was the one which I was looking for because जब मैंने बाकी टेस्ट सीरीज़ देखी तो all of them had out of NCRT questions or the questions which were too high for me or the questions which were not below the which were just below the mark. Here I got like apt questions, easy bhi, tough bhi, and most importantly biology mein they had NCRT based questions because you need to map कि तुम्हारे कितना स्कोर आ रहा है एंड अगर तुम्हें NCRT अगर तुम पढ़ रहे हो फिर भी तुम्हारे क्वेश्चंस गलत हो रहे हैं, दे आर सच ट्विस्टेड क्वेश्चंस, दैट इज़ व्हेन यू नो दैट द test series is good. So let's just quickly look at the few features and then I'll take you to the NeetPrep platform to discuss it. See, let's look here. Now, just let me walk you through all the features it has. It has many more. I have now let me quickly walk you through the features it has and बहुत सारे और भी features हैं, मैंने बहुत कम लिखे हैं, but these are the most important ones I feel. So if we talk about the question bank, see, it's like an endless sea of questions. तुम्हें एक chapter के 400 500 600 questions मिल जाएंगे. It's on you to decide कि तुम्हें कौन सा करना है, कौन सा. For me, what I used to do was I used to read a chapter or watch a lecture and then I would put on the, so basically you can put filters. That is the best thing. So I would put the filter, first of all I would put the filter of recommended wala MCQs and then I would do PYQs from latest to the oldest. Okay, and again PYQs is very important. Uske alawa now they have NCRT ki back exercises, they have exemplar ke questions, they have some books ke questions which you go behind. So basically it's like an all-in-one thing and you can choose what you have to do. Plus there will be a memory, there will be a record of what questions you did wrong, of matlab again you can just revisit those questions. Okay, then we come on to the test series. I've already talked about it. It is a great test series and यही सोच के क्यूरेट की जाती है because you can get a tough paper, you can get an easy paper. There's no particular prediction which we can do. उसमें भी कुछ एक particular subject which can be hard and कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि the paper is just lengthy, it's not tough, but yeah, that is how it is. And test series, obviously it's a great test series. Then we have mind maps and let's talk about the DPP generator. So basically if you've finished particular chapters or topics, so you can just select those and create DPPs. मतलब अगर तुमने question practice कर ली है, तुम्हें लग रहा है कि नहीं यार थोड़ा सा और करना है या फिर I need to work more on this area, so just generate DPPs and keep solving questions. See, you need to solve a lot of questions again. Then coming to flashcards, so This is a great feature. So here they check your active recall memory rather than the passive. मतलब तुम हमेशा 4 ऑप्शंस लेके then you know कि ठीक है ये 4 ऑप्शंस मेरे पास आएंगे उसमें से चूज़ करना है. But what if the NCERT lines are given to you as fill in the blanks? Will you be able to recall the words then? So this is what is checked in the flashcards. You can do these anytime while being on the way from anywhere, or being at anybody's house, or in the washroom, just anywhere. And people use these flashcards a lot. And yes, one more thing I want to talk about is you can set a target and track the question practice. So basically as far as I remember, मेरा target होता था कि 300 questions per day and 100 for each. Mostly I used to complete my biology का and even go above 100 वाला target. And physics or chemistry maybe if you're targeting to solve 100 questions per day, again it depends on you, it depends on your need. But yes, this is something which will show there, which you can keep a track record of. क्योंकि if we solve the modules तो हमारा उतना track नहीं रहता है कि ठीक है कर लिए होंगे 20 questions 30 questions या फिर पूरा chapter कर दिया पूरा module कर दिया. But here you have a record of everything. Now let's just quickly see how it looks like, even though you can see it for yourself and download तो कर ही सकते हो. Also please subscribe to this channel. Also you can ask your doubts. I will be answering to you. And do subscribe because we are gonna keep putting this content for जो भी मतलब apart from this whatever you have doubts in how to study biology, physics, chemistry, whatever you say, we can talk about it. See, now if we come here, so these are the filters, all the filters you can get. I have here opened the living world ka chapter from botany. So see, there are recommended PYQs, exemplar, assertion reason भी अलग से है, past year, और फिर वही past year का जो मैंने बोला था from the latest to the oldest. Okay, now one thing here is, yes, so again NCERTs देके रखी हैं, flashcards देके रखी हैं. Okay, so here we have like lots of drop down menu में बहुत सारी चीज़ें which you can get. You have videos obviously, then you have NCERT ebooks, questions, flashcards, tests, DPPs, custom tests, and mind maps. Like basically you are getting everything. Okay, and you can look at it as a good investment, as something which is gonna help you in your preparation, and it's probably gonna be the best thing you ever purchase, and something which can take you closer to your dream. So keep studying. That's it. Bye bye.